Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, a power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a 10.25 high resolution media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, keyless go, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 4,886 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.